Next, we're in Wyandotte, Michigan for a civil hearing. Markia Stevenson owes $12,000 in back rent to the plaintiff, Royal Woods Townhomes. Today, Stevenson appears before Judge Elizabeth DeSanto to discuss next steps in the case. The plaintiff's attorney, Cheryl Luckoff, is alleging that Stevenson has been filing for bankruptcy to avoid paying her rent.
Counsel, you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Stevenson in the breakout room, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant had her initial hearing on November 4th, and she filed the bankruptcy right before that hearing. It was dismissed for failure to comply. She paid zero into her plan. She has not paid the landlord rent since September of 2021. She has a balance right now of $12,106. She informed me in the breakout room she's filed another bankruptcy. If she filed it right before this hearing. And there clearly seems to be some abuse here. We're going to be objecting to any discharge. I have no knowledge personally of any bankruptcy, and my client has not received a notice of bankruptcy proceeding.
The judge then asked Stevenson for her response.
Are you planning on relocating them?
Could you repeat that, Your Honor?
Are you planning on relocating?
At my leisure.
At your leisure. That's not how that works, man.
I don't even to be here.
Why not?
This is not bankruptcy court. This is not bankruptcy court. I don't even have to explain myself.
Ma'am?
I have right. I'm supposed to be here, Your Honor. You are not a bankruptcy judge.
You are absolutely correct. I am a district court judge and I have jurisdiction over this matter because we do not have anything in our files or anything that was filed by you or any attorney representing you that would support your claim that you have filed another bankruptcy case. Ma'am, where is the documentation regarding your case? You should have some paperwork. Please stop interrupting me.
I will email it to Ms. Lockoff right now.
You can email it to the court. We're going to take a brief recess so you can submit that. Thank you.
When they return a few minutes later, Judge DeSanto addresses documents just forwarded to her by Stevenson.
Documentation that was submitted by Ms. Stevenson to the court indicated that there was a skeletal bankruptcy petition that was filed. And Ms. Stevenson, what date was that skeletal bankruptcy petition filed?
It was filed completely. I don't know what that word means that you're saying to me.
I'm reading from the document that you sent to the court. Your attorney stated that they completed a bankruptcy analysis.
The document that I sent is...
Stevenson appears to be having technical issues.
Excuse me. Please stop interrupting the court because we can't record more than one person at a time.
You're asking me a question. Let me ask.
After screaming at the judge, Stevenson leaves the call.
Ms. Stevenson is no longer on here. She dropped off. The court did not remove her. I'm just making that a record right now.
And when Stevenson returns, she's still fired up.
You guys would not let me say anything in this courtroom.
Just one moment. Your connection has not been good. And when you start answering a question, I'm not hearing everything you're saying, so I'm asking you to stop talking.
Okay, well, I'm talking right now. I am talking right now, Your Honor. I'm talking.
No, you're not talking. I just muted you. Now, please stop, because I see that you're still talking. You can continue to waste your breath. I muted you.
Despite being muted, Stevenson continues yelling.
I cannot hear what you're saying because it's breaking up.
And when the judge unmutes her, the shouting continues.
Well, I'm letting you know I'm not supposed to be here. My bankruptcy has been filed.
No, ma'am, that is not
accurate. My bankruptcy has been filed. You guys
excuse me.
To the bankruptcy. If you do anything or try to use anything that is on my record, I don't care. It better not be on my record.
Excuse me. You need to calm down. Excuse me. You need to calm down, ma'am.
I'm supposed to be here. me. I don't supposed to be here.
Okay, Ms. Stevenson, excuse me.
Right.
Ms. Stevenson, stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking.
By now, Judge DeSanto has heard enough.
I am not one of your children, ma'am, so you need to stop. You are speaking to a court. You are in court, so you need to have some respect for the court.
The judge decides to schedule a future hearing and requires that the defendant be physically present.
You need to be here in person on May 16th at 1:30 p.m.
I will not be there.
Well, if you're not here, the court will proceed without you. So May 16th at 1:30 p.m. in person at the courthouse here. Thank you. We're off the record.
Stevenson failed to appear at her next hearing, but 2 weeks later, after Stevenson filed for bankruptcy, the case was dismissed. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.